Hello friends and welcome to Food Street. Today I'm going to show you the most easiest and fastest way of making cilantro lime rice. This rice is so fresh and flavorful and requires a few basic ingredients. So let's begin. In a heated saucepan, I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil or butter. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic. I'm using fresh garlic, but you can also use a store-bought paste. I'm going to let this simmer on low heat for a minute or two so that the garlic flavor infuses into the oil. Now I'll add 2 cups of chicken or vegetable stock and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can always adjust the salt according to your taste. I'm going to mix this all together and let it come to a boil. When it starts boiling, I'm going to turn off the heat. In my bowl, I have 1 cup of basmati rice. I'm going to add the rice to my rice cooker and then add the stock that we had prepared earlier. For 1 cup of uncooked rice, I've used 2 cups of stock. I'm going to turn on the rice cooker and wait for the rice to completely cook. Once our rice is cooked, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice and a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro. I'm going to gently mix the lime juice and cilantro into the rice. This rice is delicious on its own and is perfect for serving with any curry or fajita bowl. And there you have it, our cilantro lime rice is ready. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to Food Street for more great recipes. Until next time, Allah Hafiz!